Today I will show you how to install the Foxit with lifetime license. Okay, at first already I have download this one. Now it's check here. Also we need to off antivirus real timer. They are not have the real timer, so we are searching in the real timer in here. Go the update and securities, then Windows securities, then virus and threat protections, then we are click the manage of this real timer protection. Of the real timer protection. Now we are installing this one. Now yes, just now waiting some time. I'll show you. When I start, there I have asking the license. Now we are going to the lifetime license. Click the fix, copy this one, and right button the installation software, open a file location, then just paste in here, then replace, click tick chino, done this, then continue, wait, close, then you check. Now this one is okay, lifetime warranty.